Fixold Cameras produces step-by-step, close-up videos of simple, common repairs and basic maintenance on classic and vintage cameras. Your ability, the quality of your tools, and the condition of your camera will affect the success of your repair endeavor. A successful completion of the demonstrated repairs ultimately depends on your camera repair skills.
A simple repair for a jammed Pentax K-1000 film transport was covered in a Fixold camera video. However, what happens if the repair does not stick? The latch lever is reset, the camera is released and wound, and still the same circumstance exists. Now what? Of course, as in the original video covering this issue, the bottom cover will need to be removed. The bottom cover is easy enough to remove if the proper size JIS crosspoint screwdriver is used. With a little help from Papa, my granddaughter can even do it. Now set the screw aside. That a girl. Let's get the next one. Turn it in the right direction. There you go. All right. Set it aside. That's it. One more. Right direction. There you go. Keep the pressure down on it. Atta girl. And set that screw aside. Now see if you can lift the bottom cover off. You gotta grab a hold of it like this. There you go. Pry it up gently now. 2 hands. And keep working at it. And it's off. Way to go. That was fun. But now with the bottom cover off, it's time to get serious with the issue at hand. Since the cocking lever is coming up short of completing the wind cycle, we are going to increase the depth and engagement of this lever by tweaking it just slightly. To clarify, to tweak is to bend ever so slightly. We will be bending this lever against the wide part of its construction. Too much bending force and the lever will break. Not enough and the tweak will be pointless. Wind the camera so the lever positions itself so it's just shy of engagement. Using a small but sturdy pair of needle nose pliers, position the jaws as shown. Hold the handle of the pliers in the manner shown so you can twist your wrist with controlled force. The action of the motion is as if you were folding your wrist down at a right angle, tucking your thumb in toward your wrist. This should give you the control needed to safely make the bend. Okay, test the results. Not quite enough. Slightly reposition the point of contact of the jaws of the needle nose pliers. And try again with just a touch more force. Control that force because too much you truly will snap the lever. Okay, test the tweak again. Perfect. That is done. Also, sometimes the shutter release plunger will stick where it slides through the brass base plate. Address this potential issue with a drop or 2 of light oil. Manipulate the mechanism a few times to work the oil in. Now, with a little help, we can get the bottom cover back on. Okay, very good. You want to put the screws in?
What screw does this go in?
How about you show us? I bet you can.
In here?
That will work. Oops. Well, try again. There you go. Oh, darn it. Here, one more time. Come on. There you go. Now we will use the screwdriver and thread it in the opposite direction of what we took it out. No, now we need to go in the opposite direction. That's it. Looks good. Snug it up. Perfect. Now we do the middle screw. And finally, the other end. Hey, it looks like we didn't get that middle screw in all the way. Oh well, we'll get that later. Time to test our work. Wind the camera. That's it. Give it a pull all the way. Little more. Perfect. Now push the button. No, not that button. That one up there. There you go. Wind it again. All the way. There you go. Works. Excellent. One more time. Perfect. Thanks go out to my 3-year-old granddaughter for her help and her stubborn persistence in making this fixed old camera video a little more fun. Thank you for watching.